Instead of the knotty pine or the all wood interior, we got this one set up to have the birch walls painted white. And now obviously you walk in here, we sell this one, we sell a lot as a shell because people like to finish it themselves. But that wall there is where you'd put your little kitchenette area, and it's like an open concept. See, we already got it set up like a little living room over on this side. Put you a kitchenette over here. Remember, we can do all this as well, but a lot of people like to buy it like it is with just the electric and the insulation, and then they finish it off themselves to save money. Now you see we got the double pane Anderson windows, black windows in this one. We got the white walls, open concept. This has got, again, 2x6 exterior walls with insulation in it. This got fiberglass, but of course you can always upgrade and do spray foam. You got your recessed lights up top. And remember, these walls are solid wood. That's not sheetrock, that's actually birch. Okay, that's actually birch. Again, there you go with the double pane windows. We got this one set up as a little office. Of course, this could be bedroom number 1. And then you got a little bathroom we can do in here. And then of course, master bedroom over here. We're still kind of staging everything, but very comfortable for someone just looking for a 2-bed, 1-bath situation. Now, if you bought the shell, which is what this is, it's only $75,000. But let's say you wanted to buy it fully turnkey with all the bells and whistles in it, tubs, toilet sinks, electric plumbing, heating, cooling, mini splits, and all of that. This one would be $125,000. And you can still do these modern ones with, say, for example, you wanted tongue and groove pine in here and you wanted your D-log siding on the outside. We can do that as well. So just keep that in mind, guys. There's lots of flexibility here for how you can finish these cabins. It's just a matter of you letting us know what you want and we can accommodate that. Okay, you see we went with the dark floors here. We've had people go with the dark ceilings with the tongue and groove pine, and then white walls or tongue and groove pine walls. Lots of options here, guys. Just give us a call. Let us know what it is you're trying to accomplish. And the Amish are really good about making those dreams come true. Just let us know how you want us to do it. And again, people say, well, where's the closets? Well, no big deal. We can put closets in. Just let us know where you want them. Again, you got a window right there. This is a, what size bed is this? Is this a queen? Yeah, this is a queen size bed, but you could definitely get a king size bed in here if you really wanted to. No problem. Okay. And again, you got your pocket doors here, right? You got your electrical. This one's already got electric in it. There's your pocket doors. And again, we can go modern or we can go rustic. So we wanted to have this example set up just to let y'all know we are flexible, guys. You want to do modern farmhouse, we can do it. You want to do super rustic all wood cabin, we can do it. Or maybe you want to do something in between, we can do that as well. So let me step back and show you what this one looks like from the outside. Again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. Again, this one is only 75 grand, just like it is in the video. Or you can buy it fully turnkey for 125,000. I really like that board and batten metal look on it. This is really popular right now with that either cedar trim or knotty pine trim on the front to kind of break up the metal monotony. It's like a Scandinavian style look. Very popular right now. That porch, by the way, is 6 foot by 40 foot. And then the dimensions of this cabin is 14 by 40. So you got 560 square foot of livable space and a 240 square foot front porch. So with the porch, you got 800 square foot under roof. Again, everything you need, nothing you don't. We got this one built on 4 skids, as you can see down there. This is the back side of it. And again, this is the one we call the El Chapo Muchacho 2.0. The one next to it is the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0. I've shown that many times on the channel. But just wanting to make sure you guys get a really good view of this one. Isn't that beautiful? Let me go straight ahead and show it to you, what it looks like straight ahead. And again, you got a black standing seam, metal roof, black board and batten metal siding. Just beautiful. Okay, that porch is awesome. Big old front porch. And then of course you got the rustic all wood El Chapo Muchacho, which is built by the same Amish community that builds this one. Okay, you can kind of tell it's got the 4x6 studs on the side, stacked up, log stack with the chinking in between. That chinking here is that gray matter. It's kind of malleable to the touch a little bit, so it expands and contracts as the wood expands and contracts, because that's what wood does. And again, we can also do modern RV park models like the one we got here called the Rocky Balboa, which is built by the same Amish community that builds the El Chapo Muchacho. You can kind of tell. So again, guys, give us a call at 812-595-4033. By the way, I've walked in this one already, so if you go look at my tours on my channel and type in Rocky Balboa, you can see the beautiful interior of this cabin. Done the tour on it several times. Give us a call, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. If you're interested in an Amish built cabin, we'd love to get you one on your land. Again, don't forget to hit the smash, the share, the follow, the likes, and comment below if you're a Gen Xer or baby boomer. Put the word Gen X or boomer below so I know I got my people watching me, not just the young bucks. And thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate y'all watching my content, and y'all have a blessed and wonderful day. Come back and see me anytime. You know who it is. Cabin Cowboy. Brrrah.